So now what you're going to do is go to the other side again, and what you're going to do is bend down with the rasp, and you're going to tell her that you're going to hold the rasp on her foot for 5 seconds. Good girl, Sharney. Tell her what you're going to do, bend down and do it. No, towards, face the other way. You're going to pick a foot up. Yep. No, the hoof underneath. You want to bring it up. Good, good, good. Lift up. Count. 1. X, Sharney. Good girl. So she can have a treat. So we're going to do that all the way around. And remember that when you get down your back, she's going to prepare herself, and you're just going to keep your left hand on her hip so she knows what she's doing. Off you go. Matter of factly, as if nothing's going on. Tell her what you're doing and do it. No, start again. Hip, go down. Yep, good. That's it. She's just preparing herself. Go down. That's all right. Good, 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 good. Treat her. Treat her. Okay. So just give her a rub. Okay, around the other side. Good girl. Yep, she's ready. Turn around, face the other way. You're going to have to change the rest to your other hand. Good. All right, well, don't treat her then, just pat her when you go good. If she's nervous, we need to just work on that a bit. She's all right. Good girl, Sharney. So just throw them in the bucket.
No, in the bucket. Good girl. You want in the bucket?
Well, don't worry now.
Then you can push it a bit more. Right, Sharney? Or is that enough?
I'd go around once more, exactly the same thing. Get her really confident with that. Good girl. Other hand, yep.
We're going to do it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good girl. Oh, good girl. I wasn't taking anything off. I was just getting you used to. Oh, I know you're nervous. Hey, I know. Good girl.
When you're ready, you run it now. Well, he's lying to you, Sharney.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Oh, good girl. Good.
Bit of a late click there.
That's a first, mate. I know you're a little bit scary. I know, it's all good, mate. It's all good. Let's just chew it up. We don't want to.
The thing is, it's going to be the end that makes the difference for next time, so she can go through it. She's standing there. Tell her what you're doing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, that's all right.
Good girl. I have to go back to that foot now. Sorry.